मनः प्रसादः सौम्यत्वम् मौनम् आत्मविनिग्रहः भावसंशुद्धिः इत्येतत् तपो मानसम् उच्यते.
And satisfaction, simplicity, gravity, self-control and purification of one's existence are the austerities of the mind.
Shraddhaya paraya taptam tapaha tatrividham naraihi aphalakankshibhihi yuktaihi Satvikam parichakshate.
This threefold austerity, performed with transcendental faith by men, not expecting material benefits but engaged only for the sake of the Supreme, is called austerity in goodness.
Satkara mana pujartham tapo dambhena jayvayat kriyate tadikha proktam rajasam chalam adhruvam.
Penance performed out of pride and for the sake of gaining respect, honor and worship is said to be in the mode of passion. It is neither stable nor permanent.
Mudhagrahena atmano yat pidaya kriyate tapaha parasyotsadanartham va tattamasam udagritam.
Penance performed out of foolishness, with self-torture or to destroy or injure others is said to be in the mode of ignorance.
Datavyam iti yaddanam diyate anupakarine deshe kale cha patre cha taddanam satvikam smritam.
Charity given out of duty, without expectation of return, at the proper time and place, and to a worthy person is considered to be in the mode of goodness.
Yattu pratyupakarartham phalam uddishya va punaha diyate cha parikrishtam taddanam rajasam smritam.
But charity performed with the expectation of some return, or with a desire for fruitive results, or in a grudging mood, is said to be charity in the mode of passion.
Adesha kale yaddanam apatrebhyascha diyate asatkritam avajnatam tattamasam udagritam.
And charity performed at an impure place at an improper time, to unworthy persons or without proper attention and respect, is said to be in the mode of ignorance.
Om Tat Saditi Nirdesho Brahmanastrividhaspritaka Brahmanastena Vedascha Yajnascha Vihitaga Pura.
From the beginning of creation, the three words Om, Tat, Sat were used to indicate the supreme absolute truth. These three symbolic representations were used by Brahmanas while chanting the hymns of the Vedas and during sacrifices for the satisfaction of the Supreme.
Tasmadomityudakritya yajñadana tapakriyaha pravartante vidhanoktaha satatam brahmavadinam.
Therefore, transcendentalists undertaking performances of sacrifice, charity and penance in accordance with scriptural regulations begin always with Om to attain the Supreme.
Taditi anabhisandhaya phalam yajñatapakriyaha danakriyascha vividhaha kriyante mokshakankshibihi.
Without desiring fruit of results, one should perform various kinds of sacrifice, penance and charity with the word Tat. The purpose of such transcendental activities is to get free from material entanglement.
Sadbhave sadhubhave cha saditi etat prayujyate prashaste karmani tatha sachabdaha partha yujyate yajñe tapasi dane cha sthitihi saditi chotyate karma chaiva tadatthiyam sadityeva abhidhiyate.
The absolute truth is the objective of devotional sacrifice, and it is indicated by the word Sat. The performer of such sacrifice is also called Sat, as are all works of sacrifice, penance and charity, which, true to the absolute nature, are performed to please the Supreme Person, O son of Pritha.
Ashraddhaya hutam dattam tapaha taptam krutam chayat asadityuchyate partha nacha tatpretya nohiha.
Anything done as sacrifice, charity or penance without faith in the Supreme, O son of Pritha, is impermanent. It is called Asat and is useless both in this life and the next.
Om Tat Saditi Srimad Bhagavad Gitasu Upanishatsu Brahma Vidyayam Yoga Shastre Shri Krishna Arjuna Samvade Shraddhatraya Vibhaga Yogo Nama Saptadashodhyayaka.